I'm making a simple turkey thigh crock pot recipe. I'm going to take the Honeysuckle White No Added Hormones or Antibiotics by Honeysuckle turkey thighs. They're pretty cheap. And basically you need pepper. I have this sumac turkey seasoning. Of course you don't have to use that if you don't want. I also have this chicken barbecue seasoning from Menchaca, and pink salt. So I'm going to take the turkey thighs out of here and put them in here and season them before I go to the next step. Here I am seasoning with the barbecue seasoning. Add salt and pepper, and then put these in foil. Okay, these are pretty big thighs. That's one, that's two. So take the thigh and wrap it up. Very tightly, multiple times. Of course, I did not cut enough foil, so I got another one, and I'm gonna wrap this up. My turkey thighs wrapped up nice and tight. I'm gonna add a half a cup of water to the crock pot. You can do this dry, but I suggest to add a little bit of moisture, otherwise you don't want to crack your crock pot. Place these in here, and put the lid on, place it on high for 5 hours, and it should be ready. I might check on it after 4 hours to see how it does. But other than that, it should look pretty good. Result after cooking 4 hours.